Ginger isn't just a kitchen spice, it's a powerful natural remedy. This ancient root has been used for centuries to fight pain and inflammation. Its secret weapon is a compound called gingerol. Gingerol helps reduce joint swelling, improve circulation, and soothe stiff muscles and bones. It's especially helpful for people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis and chronic joint pain. Here's how to make healing ginger tea at home. Take 1 to 2 slices of fresh ginger. Boil them in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes. Add a little lemon juice or honey if you like. Drink it warm once or twice a day. Natural, simple, and effective. Let ginger help you move freely again. This is nature's boost. Turmeric is known as liquid gold in traditional healing. Bright in color, powerful in effect. It's one of the best natural remedies for inflammation. Its main active compound, curcumin, fights swelling, eases joint pain, and improves flexibility. Turmeric is perfect for people with rheumatism, osteoarthritis, or stiff joints. Want to try it at home? Here's a quick turmeric milk recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to 1 cup of hot milk. Sprinkle in a pinch of black pepper. It helps your body absorb curcumin. Simmer for 5 minutes. Sweeten with honey or cinnamon if you like. Drink it warm, especially before bed. Let turmeric soothe your joints and support your body, naturally. This is nature's boost.